This dance is called I Believe in Woman. It's a 32 count, 2 wall, intermediate level line dance. Starting on the right foot with some prissy walks. So we're going to walk right, walk left. Straight into a vine to the right, side behind side. Cross rock, left over right, recover your weight on the right, slide the left, large step to the side, step back on the right as you make 1/8 of a turn to the right, so you're now facing 130, step back on the left, still facing 130. Into a basic nightclub, squaring yourself up to 3 o'clock. Big step to the side, cross rock, left behind right, recover. So that set of steps once more then. Prissy walk off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, side behind side, cross, rock, slide, back, back, side, back, rock. You now go into a spiral turn. 3/4 spiral turn to the right. It's 1 whole count to do this turn. So you're going to step the left slightly to the side as you spiral yourself 3/4 of a turn to end up back facing 12 o'clock. Run forward 2 steps, right, left. Into a rocking chair, rock forward on the right, rock back on that right. Make half a turn to the left as you step back on that right, sweep that left back. Into a little weave, crossing the left behind the right, right to the side, cross left over, sweep the right forward, cross the right over the left, step the left to the side. So that set of steps once more then. Spiral 3/4. I will do my best on carpet. 7, 8, spiral, run, run, rocking chair, turn, behind side, cross, cross side. Now clearly, not everybody can actually do spiral turns. If you are struggling with that spiral turn, what you can actually do, instead of doing the spiral, just turn yourself a 1/4 turn to the left as you step down on that left. And then you can add on your run, run. However, when you then add that onto that subsequent half turn, some of you may struggle with that equivalent 3/4 turn. Try it, see how you get on. If you are finding that 1/4 turn, run, run, rocking chair, and that half turn does make you feel a little bit dizzy or disorientated, what you can actually do is a little set of steps, slightly different, but it'll take out that whole 3/4. So there's 2 non-turning options in this set of steps. So you can just take out that spiral, do the rest as it's choreographed. Or if you need to take out that spiral in conjunction with that half turn, what you can actually do is, rather than just turning that 1/4 left, turn 1/4 right instead of that spiral as you step back on that left. Run backwards 2 steps, right, left. Do a reverse rocking chair. So you rock back on the right, then rock forward on the right. Step back on the right, sweep the left, you've caught up with everybody else, you're in the same place as everybody else, into your little wave, behind side cross, cross side. You've just taken out that set of turning steps. So there's a few little options there, should you need to take some of that turn combination out. Otherwise, let's add that to the top. Prissy walks off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, side, behind, side, cross, rock, slide, back, back, side, back, rock, spiral, run, run, rocking chair, turn, behind, side, cross, cross, side. Rock back on the right as you make 1/8 of a turn to the right and recover your weight on the left. So you should now be facing 7:30. Half a turn to the left as you step back on that right. So you're now facing 1:30. Rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right, step forward on the left. So you are still facing 1:30. You're now going into 2 nightclub steps, first one of which you're going to turn 1/8, so you end up squaring yourself up to 12 o'clock, rock back and recover, and a standard nightclub to the left, rock back, recover. That set of steps once more then, rocking back on the right, making that 1/8 of a turn to the right. 7, 8, back, rock, turn, back, rock, step, side, back, rock, side, back, rock. Let's add that to the top. Pretty walks off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, side, behind, side, cross, rock, slide, back, back, side, back, rock, spiral, run, run, rocking chair, turn, behind, side, cross, cross, side, back, rock, turn, back, rock, step, side, back, rock, side, back, rock. Make a quarter turn right as you step that right forward into a chase half turn. So we step forward on the left, pivot half a turn to the right, step forward on the left. Full turn to the left, over 2 steps. Now again, if you don't wish to do this full turn, you can just walk forward, right, left. Otherwise it's half a turn left as you step back on the right, half a turn left as you step forward on that left. Just shuffling back a little bit. Into a nightclub, which you're going to put quarter turn left on to start with. So quarter turn left as you take that big step to the side, cross rock, recover. And then a little syncopated vine to end the dance, side, behind, side. That set of steps once more then. Quarter turn to the right. 7, 8, turn, step, pivot, step, full turn, turn, into your nightclub, side, behind, side. Now yes, you have got that non-turning set of steps for that full turn. I will do the full turn when we do the walkthrough and the demo. I'll actually be doing the non-turning walk option on that bit of the dance when the music is on, but I'll still call out full turn so you know where it is in the dance. But in this section, you've actually got that 3/4 of a turn at the beginning. So should you need to take that 3/4 out, there are some non-turning steps that you can actually do. So rather than making that quarter turn to the right, what I suggest you do is you make that quarter turn to the left as you step back on that right, rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right, step forward on the left. That will take that 3/4 out of the equation. And I would assume, therefore, if you've had to take that 3/4 out, you probably will be taking out the full turn. So you'll be walking forward and then you'll just do another quarter turn left as you go into that nightclub. So you could end up, if you're comfortable in doing that full turn but not the 3/4, you could end up doing 1.5 turns to the left. So just be warned. But there are some options there should you need to take some of those turns out. But that is the end of the dance, so let's put it all together. Pretty walks off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, side, behind, side, cross, rock, slide, back, back, side, back, rock, spiral, run, run, rocking chair, turn, behind, side, cross, cross, side, back, rock, turn, back, rock, step, side, back, rock, side, back, rock, turn, step, pivot, step, full turn, turn, back, rock, side, behind, side. So that is your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Prissy walks off on the right. 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and. So that full turn is on the 4 and count. So hopefully that gives you a good feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall, and we'll keep going when we get back to the front so you can see how the walls join together. Prissy walk off on the right. 7, 8, walk, walk, side, behind, side, cross, rock, slide, back, back, side, back, rock, spiral, run, run, rocking chair, turn, behind, side, cross, cross, side, back, rock, turn, back, rock, step, side, back, rock, side, back, rock, turn, step, pivot, step, full turn, turn, back, rock, side, behind, side, walk, walk, side, behind, side, cross, rock, slide, back, back, side, back, rock, spiral, run, run, rocking chair, turn, behind, side, cross, cross, side, back, rock, turn, back, rock, step, side, back, rock, side, back, rock, step, step, pivot, step, full turn, turn, back, rock, side, behind, side. So that is your dance and your walkthrough. Now the music isn't that fast, but there's just one little point to note. The music goes quiet in wall 7. Wall 7 will be your front wall. From about 8 counts in, the music fades off. Just keep dancing at the same pace as you have the rest of the dance. The music starts coming back in on count 13, but it really kicks in again from count 17. So just keep dancing on wall 7. Don't think the music has finished. It will keep going a little bit longer. So that said, let's give it a go to the music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Walk, side, behind, side, cross, rock, slide, back, back, side, back, spiral, run, run, rocking chair, turn, behind, side, cross, cross, side, back, rock, turn, back, rock, step, slide, back, rock, side, back, rock, turn, step, pin, step, forward, turn, turn, back, rock, side, behind, side, walk, walk, side, behind, side, cross, rock, slide, back, back, side, back, rock, spiral, run, run, rocking chair, turn, behind, side, cross, cross, side, back, rock, turn, back, rock, step, side, back, rock, side, back, rock, turn, step, pin, step, forward, turn, turn, back, rock, side, behind, side, walks. Spiral. Back rock. Walks. Spiral. Back rock. Turn. Keep going. 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. 2 and 3, 4 and 5. Hope you managed that one.